Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki and I'm so glad that you've joined me today. So today's video is a Stitch Fix unboxing. These are one of my most popular type of videos and I'm really excited to share with you what my stylist is going to surprise me with for the month of October. If you aren't already subscribed, I hope that you will consider doing so. I do a lot of these Stitch Fix unboxings. I do a lot of other unboxings. I am starting to get some travel content up and I do a lot of home fragrance. So if these are some things that really make you happy, along with some Disney that's going to be sprinkled in there, I hope that you will consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up before you go. Okay, let's get into this. If you don't already know what Stitch Fix is a personalized styling service. I do it every month. I do have a style pass, but if you don't have a style pass, it is a, I believe, $20 styling fee, and they will bring you or send you 5 items. You can make requests of things that you'd like tops or a certain color that you're really looking for, or maybe you're just looking for a great pair of skinny jeans, and they'll throw some of that stuff with you. And you do build a profile of things that you like and that you don't like. And I often go in there almost every day and swipe through. You can give a thumbs up or a thumbs down of certain types of styles, so that way they really get to know you. What I do love is that you do get a personalized stylist. I think I have the same stylist, but I have had her for quite a few months and she has been doing such a rockin' job with these fixes. So let's see what I got. So when you first open the box, you're gonna get some paper-like materials. The first thing is this USPS envelope. You can either give this to your mailman if you see them outside, or mailwoman. Or you could just take it to the post office and put it in the drop box, but they give you this for any returns. They give a little paper here with a note from your stylist, and they list everything with some ideas of how to wear the items. And then you get a pricing sheet here. If I didn't say before, when you pay your styling fee, it applies to anything that you decide to keep. So if you keep something that's $40, it'll take $20 off already because you've already paid the styling fee. If you don't decide to keep anything, they do keep the styling fee, but it's better than buying things that you don't really want and spending even more money, right? Okay, so looks like I have some things here. So I see a lot of neutral colors in here. It's fall, but I don't see a lot of fall colors, but that's okay. I love neutral colors. I love grays and dark. I'm wearing dark blue jeans and a gray shirt. So it looks like she at least knows my colors pretty well. And then if you get shoes, it comes in this nice little shoe carrying case. So it looks like I got some shoes. Let's open this first. So I didn't really make any specific requests. Actually I did, I lied. I've been asking for a sports bra for a while. So I think she may have put that in there this time because I did make a note that I had been requesting it for a couple times and I haven't gotten anything. I also asked for some simple jewelry. So, but I'm excited to see these shoes. So these are Tom's, and they're in this pretty dusty, slightly dusty pink coral color. And I know it sounds weird, dusty pink coral color, but I feel like it does have a little bit of coral, but it's dusty. These are in a size 9, which is my size. They are flats. They have this woven detailing here. And yeah, so I will check these out. Okay, let's open this bad boy. Okay, looks like I might have some jewelry in here. It looks like it's from KEVIA or KEVIA. Okay, opening it, it looks like looks like she listened to me. Look how pretty these simple earrings are. There's 5 pairs, as you can see. I love that they kind of label them too. So I have girls' night, every day, date night, every day, and weekend. So let's see can you guys see that very well? I love these. They're so simple, so cute. I love them. They're so me. I don't wear earrings a lot of the times, but I have been wanting to wear earrings more often. but I like something simple unless I'm really going really glam, and then I'll wear, you know, the big earrings. But these are super pretty. I'm so glad that these are in. I probably won't try them on for you because they're earrings. So, but I have a feeling I'm going to keep these. I really like these. Okay, so let's get through to the clothing items. I have this top here. Where's the actual top? So it's kind of like a, not a turtleneck top, but one of those loose higher neck type of tops here. It is two-toned or three-toned, 3 types of gray. You have the really light gray, the medium gray, and the dark gray. Pretty. It's very soft. This is from Pink Clover, and it says Pink Clover Poplar Cowl Neck Brushed Knit Top, and this is in the size medium. I did tell her too that to look at what other people have said about the fitting on this on tops, because I am in between a small and a medium. So I would hate to get a bunch of mediums because I've noticed that a lot of them are running kind of big on me. So anyway, that's that. I will show you that it does have some ties here at the neck. So yeah, we'll check that out. It's really soft. Looks like it's going to be really comfy. Okay, yes, I do have a sports bra here. This is from FP Movement Lightning Synergy Crop Bra. This is in navy, and this is a size medium. I'm very large chested, so I'm kind of curious if this is going to fit me or not. So we shall see, but it's just navy. I like the backing of it. Not that I'm going to show off my sports bra too much because I usually work out with a t-shirt over it, but cute. And I'm glad that she put that in there. Okay, and finally, this is from Market and Spruce. This is a Falina Kangaroo pocket knit top. They say this is black, but I would say this is kind of like a very, very dark gray, maybe a blackish gray, if that makes sense. Long sleeve top. I love just the little pop of color here with the white and this mauvey dusty rose color. I really like this top. Ooh, there is some pockets in the front. What girl does not like pockets in her clothing? Let me back up a little bit so you can see it. All right, so this is also in a medium, so we'll see if this fits. Before I get into the try-on, actually, I am going to just read what my stylist wrote me. It looks like I have Elise again. So it says, "Happy Fix Day, Nikki. I hope you are excited about receiving some new pieces for the changing weather and that this brightens your week a little. Per your request, I started your fix with a pair of slip-on Toms." I don't remember saying anything about Toms, but I must have. "In a pretty pink color. Pair these with some jeans and this long sleeve knit top by Pink Clover for an everyday look. Since you requested some simple stud earrings, I picked out this 5-piece stud set by KEVIA for you to mix and match with any outfit. And lastly, you asked for a sports bra, so I found this FP Movement bra that has a twist back detail and is neutral enough to pair easily. As always, please leave me all the feedback so I can keep sending you pieces that you like and need. Stay safe and healthy. Best, Elise." Awesome. And like I said, they give you ideas of how to wear the items. So right there is that pocket knit top, and it just gives you some other things that you could wear with it. So I like that they do that. Okay, I'm going to get to the try on, and then afterwards we will go through what the pricing is and what I decided to keep and not to keep. Okay, I have this front pocket long sleeve top from Market and Spruce here. I just paired it with the jeans that I already had on, and I have to say, I love it. I really do. I love that there's just like I love where the neckline is. I love the pops of color. I'll come closer. I love where this falls right, you know, if you're trying to cover the booty a little bit, you can. I'm glad she gave this a medium because this is a perfect fit for me. I will say I haven't been eating the best since I went out of town recently, but let me get closer. So this is the top. You can see this. See the front pockets. It is not super thick, So this is great for fall, just to give you just a slight bit of warmth that you won't get too hot in it. You won't be super cold in it. I am loving this. I did not think that this was going to be a wow shirt. And I mean, it's not like a wow shirt, but it's a great piece. I like it. And I will show you the Toms that I am wearing right now. So these are the Toms that I am wearing. They are very comfortable. They are cute. Now that I'm looking at them on, they kind of look a little bit more cotton candy. I thought they were going to be a little dusty, but so the color is not my favorite. I'm going to see if they have any other colors that are a little bit more neutral, although these would be great in like the spring and summer, so we'll see. But very comfortable. I like them. They fit great. They have a really comfortable backing here, and I can tell I'm not going to get blisters when I break them in. Overall, really nice, comfortable Toms. Okay, I have this pink Clover brand pullover here with the ties. I have it in, it's a three-toned gray. It's very soft, very comfortable, except for this tag that's poking me. I'll show you the neck detailing. So this, I was afraid it was going to be a little bit closer to the bottom of my neck, but it's not horrible. I'm not a huge fan of these huge ties. I mean, I'm sure I could take them out, but yeah, that's with it tied, maybe like that. Looking in the mirror right here, that's a little bit better than just having them hanging right here. This I could have gone in a small. There is a ton of room, but maybe perfect for holiday time. I did notice one thing though. I don't know if you can see. It is torn right there. There's a snag, and that is not going to be fixable on my end. So yeah, that's unfortunate, but I don't know. I like it. I don't know if I love it. Maybe I'll wear it for a little bit longer. And yeah, oh my gosh, my stomach. I don't know if you can hear that on there, but I better hurry up and talk about the pricing now. I'm going to try the sports bra off camera, and I'm not going to really go through all the earrings with them on, but I will show you them again, and then we'll decide what I'm going to keep and what I'm not going to keep, or if I'll keep them all. So what did you guys think? Do you like what I got? Do you didn't like what I got? What were your favorite pieces? Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like the video before you leave. But let's just review what I got, and we will decide what I'm going to keep and not keep. So first up is this KEVIA 5-piece earring set. I absolutely love these. I love how she put, you know, something that has just different types of looks here, but they're very simple. It's exactly what I was looking for. And let's get the pricing on that. So this is $36, which I feel like is very reasonable for 5 studded earrings. So I am going to keep this one. Really happy with it. So next up are the pink Toms here that I tried on, and these Toms Classic Alpargata Espadrille, I have no idea what this word is, but they're flats, and it's the color pink, and these retail for $59.95, and I do not think I'm going to be keeping these. They're just a little bit too bright, I think, for the fall and winter time. I'm just not feeling them right now. Maybe if I got these in May or June, I would probably be more receptive to them. I did go on the app and try to exchange it for a different color, and they had nothing available. So these are going to go. Okay, next is this FP, which I assume is Free People. I think FP is for free people, right? Anyway, this FP Movement Sports Bra here with the really pretty detailing in the back. I really like this. This one, Lightning Synergy Crop Bra from FP Movement. This is $58, and I decided not to keep this. Like I said, I'm large chested. I'm a 34 triple D. sometimes I can go a double D depending, but this was a little too tight on me, and I like, you know, I like high impact bras, but this was just a little bit too tight. And so not going to be keeping this. I did also check to see if they had a large available, and they did not. So can't exchange it either. Okay, so next we have this pink clover top that I tried on last that has the strings. Where are those very thick strings here? I liked it, but one of the main reasons why I'm not going to keep it, and I just told them about it, is there was a snag in the shoulder, which I told you guys about, yeah, right here, that if I pulled that, it's gonna leave quite a hole in it. So I let them know that came on upon arrival. And yeah, I mean, I liked it, but I didn't love it. So I decided to return this, but I'll let you know the price. Let's see, this runs for $44. So not a bad price, not a bad price. I did see if there was something else available. Maybe they'll offer it to me anyway. I don't know. But I did let them know that there was a snag at the top. So we'll see. Anyway, I'm returning that one. Okay, this last item from Market and Spruce. This was the, it says it's black, but this grayish black long sleeve top with the two colors right around the bottom of my elbow, and it has the pockets in the front. I loved this top. I really loved it. So this is Market and Spruce Falina Kangaroo pocket knit top, and this retails for $48. I will be keeping this. I just really like it. I think that it was so me. It was so flattering. Surprisingly, I did not think that I was going to love this as much as I do, but I do. So I'm going to keep it. Okay, so let's get to pricing. And if I kept everything, you get so if you keep everything, you get a 25% discount. So the stylist picks before the discount, before taxes, are $245.95. If I kept everything and got the 25% discount, it would take it down to $184.46. Amazing pricing for what you get in this fix. So let's see, I don't get the styling fee. So if you got all these things and you paid a styling fee, it would take off $20 too. If I talked about a style pass before, basically you can't request a style pass. They just give it to you if you're lucky. I don't know if it's because I was buying a lot of stuff from Fixes because they've been so great, or if it's you know, just because I've been getting them every month and I haven't skipped anything or anything like that, that they just gifted it to me, and that was nice. And just so you know what it is if they offer it to you, it's $49 and you can get as many Fixes as you want for the rest of the year. So that's kind of nice. But and that $49 does apply to, like, you know, whatever you buy, but I've already used it up. So anyway, so I decided to keep the two items, which were the earrings and that Market and Spruce top. It came out to $84 for those two items, which I'm pretty happy about. But like I said, it breaks down everything here. You can see here what the subtotal was before, taking off the $25 and what it would have been if you would have kept everything. So $84, and I picked 2 out of the 5 items, and I'm still really happy with my Fixes. I feel like they just get my style, and they surprise me, because a lot of the times they send me things and I'm like, okay, this kind of looks kind of boring, and I end up loving it. So if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix, I will leave a referral link down below. Feel free to give them a try. I believe if you click that link, you will get a $25 credit, which will go towards your styling fee, and to any items that you decide to keep. So you can pretty much try Stitch Fix for free. And also, just so you know, if you do click it, I believe I get a credit too. So just to be transparent. And that's it. So I really want to say thank you for sticking with me today. And don't forget to leave a comment and letting me know what you thought about my fix today. And I hope that I will see you again next time, everyone. Stay healthy, stay safe, and thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.